This video is about how to find scholarly journal articles in EBSCOhost. EBSCOhost is not one database, but many. To begin, always start at library.seu.edu. You can use the quick links on the right, or you can use articles and databases here. I'm going to use the quick link for EBSCO. I'm going to do a search on adult and learner and education. If I had all three words without the ands, it would be a phrase where the words are only separated by a space. Since I want the words anywhere in the document, and they may not necessarily be close together, I'll use the words and. I have many results, perhaps too many, so I need to limit the results. You can limit the results on the left-hand side. The first limiter I will apply is scholar peer-reviewed. This limits to articles that were reviewed by professionals in their fields. Next, let's limit the date. Let's make it only in the past 10 years. I could limit full text, but that would eliminate interlibrary loan, which might be a valid source. So I have fewer articles here. Now let's look at them closer. Take a look at number 5. This one has a good abstract. I don't like reviewing an article if I can't read something about it. I especially like that there are subject headers. You can click on them to explore further along those subjects. This article has HTML and PDF. HTML will read to you. PDF has page numbers. When you're doing citations, you'll probably want to use page numbers. In the read to you, you can actually change the accent and have the article read to you.
Enabled devices, for example smartphones, tablets, with them. This study focuses on adults' perceptions of these devices in relation to desired outdoor learning.
Here's a look at the PDF article. We always recommend, rather than trying to print from your browser, you save this. Use the little down arrow to save a copy on your hard drive. Then open it up on your computer and you'll have better success printing. Return to the detailed record with this link on the left. There are useful tools on the right-hand side, such as Cite. Always double-check this information, but it gives you a good start. If you need a permalink, click the permalink. It should have the beginning prefix seu.idm.oclc. This way, this link will work for anyone with their MyFire login. I went back to the results list because I want to show you a few more limiting features you can do with your search. You can limit by language. You can limit by geography. You can limit by age. These limits allow you to further refine your search results. As you can see, I'm down to only 3 articles, so I don't want to limit any further. I hope you find this information useful for your future EBSCO searches.